In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with Google using this one simple trick. This is a very beginner-friendly method since you don't need a big following, a brand, or even a website to do this method. But before we get into this video, if you like videos about making money online, CPA affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tick the bell icon to be notified when I release new videos. Also, if you want to learn how I make money online, simply click the first link in the description or in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's get into this video. This method involves affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically you getting paid to promote other people's products and services and getting paid a commission every time you generate a sale. The affiliate network we're going to use in this video is called ClickBank. ClickBank is free to join. They have hundreds of offers that you can promote and make commissions from, but we're not going to choose just any product to promote. I'm going to show you how to pick the best products to promote, because we can have the best product in the world without a profitable offer, then all of that means nothing. So let's actually head over to ClickBank so we can find a product to promote. Now that we're on ClickBank, let's head over to the affiliate marketplace. And once we over here, hit the search bar to bring up all the products. Now the first thing I like to do is sort the results by gravity. Gravity is basically the number of affiliates who made a commission promoting that particular product. So the gravity for the number one product in ClickBank is 210. That means 210 different people making commissions on that product recently. So let's actually scroll down. Now, when I'm looking at gravity, the lowest I would like to go to is 50, because 50 means it's selling and it's competition, but it's not too much, and it's not too low. Competition is a good thing. That means that the offer is converting, so that's all a good sign. Now for this video, I'm actually going to choose the Ted's woodworking offer. Next thing I like to do once I find the offer is check out the sales page. Now when I'm looking at the sales page, as long as it's clean and easy to navigate, basically something that you would buy from, then that's how you know it's just a good sign, man. You don't want to go to some crappy website and then promote it. So like I said, I like this, so we're gonna run with this. Now the next thing we're gonna do is go and grab our affiliate link that we can use to make commissions from. So once you find a product you like, head back over to ClickBank, click on the promote button, account nickname Big Jalen, then tracking ID we can use. We can put anything. YouTube tutorial. So what you do, generate hop link, copy it. Boom, you successfully copied your hop link. Next thing you want to do is, well, you got one or two. You got two options. You can just mask it and promote this link just like it is, where it goes straight to the sales page. If they buy, you get a conversion, or you can put it on your landing page like I did. Here's the landing page I made for the woodworking offer. Attention all woodworkers, finally master woodworker. Oh, I need to edit this. Master woodworker opens up his secret archive of woodworking plans, blah blah blah. No matter what button they choose, they go straight to the offer. Boom, simple and easy. I made that landing page in InstaBuilder. You can use InstaBuilder is a paid tool that I use in WordPress. I think it was like $100. I think it's still the same price. Also, you can use Builderall, ClickFunnels. I know you can even make a landing page like this on Weebly for free. So it's all about just experimenting, finding what you like. Now, after we got our landing page together, we found a profitable offer, the next thing we're going to do is actually go over to Google and type in woodworking. Ooh, can't spell. Woodworking plus blogs, because the method involves us posting comments on blogs in our niche. So let's wait for this to load. As you can see, top 50 woodworking blogs and websites, 50 woodworking listed. Boom. So I'm gonna just choose this one. Let's head over to a blog. Let's go to woodworking projects. All right, so for this tutorial, we could just pick this one, first one, making making white oak ladders. It's a clean tutorial, bunch of pictures. I like articles like this, easy to read, skim through. Now what we're gonna do is post a relevant comment and with our link to our landing page. As you can see, it's comments here. So what I'm gonna do is go through the article, and just post a genuine comment that we could leave on this website. So I'll be back in 1 second. All right, so I took a few seconds to make this comment. I don't recommend you go copy this and use it for yourself. This is only for the video, and I came up with this pretty quickly. Awesome idea, Joshua. I plan on giving this a try myself. I've recently been experimenting with all these new woodworking plans that I got from this site. So what you would do when you posting comments on blogs, you would put your name, email, website, and the capture code. But how I came up with this comment, I basically just skimmed through the content, see what they was talking about, looked at the other guys' comments, and just made my own. You don't want to make comments that sound too spammy like this. My comments sound a little spammy, but not too bad. But like I said before, I don't recommend you go use this. I definitely recommend you just put a good minute or two into a thoughtful comment. Now the trick with this method is to post relevant comments on the most recent articles in our niche. As you can see, these comments say a month ago, month ago, month ago. Now that's not bad, but a lot of comments, like when I was doing this method a while ago, a lot of the comments on the websites I was on was from a year ago. So Google has a tool where you can find the most recent articles about whatever topic you want to in an instant, and you can create alerts about it where they're basically. So for example, if we put in woodworking and create an alert, let's see, J Thomas 8357, put in my email, create an alert. Oh man. Put in your email. Then you want to go to show options, and you want to pick how often you want it. You can do it as it happens, once a day or once a week, depending on how much you want to do this. I would personally choose once a day. Sources, make sure you select blogs, language, English, region. For this tutorial, we'll do United States. And how many? Only the best results. Then what you will do, just put your email in, create an alert. So that way, every time woodworking is mentioned on the blog, you will be notified at whatever pace you want to be, as it happens, once a day or once a week. So if you're in the woodworking niche, you can also create alerts for DIY, carpentry, I can't spell, and things of that nature. You want to find a few keywords that's related to your niche and set an alert by it. Now with this method, it is going to take some consistent work to see results with it. So if you're taking out an hour or two a day to post some relevant comments on blogs and articles in your niche, you will start to see the traffic build up to a point where you can make $100 a day with this. Let's go show y'all back over at ClickBank. If you're promoting this product, doing the same exact funnel, all you have to do is sell 2 of these a day to make $100, which is $54 a sale is a little over $100 actually a day, which I think is like 108 and some change. So yeah, now this method, it's not going to get you rich or anything, but it definitely put some money in your pocket if you never made money online before. Yeah, man, that's all I got for this video. If you like the video, drop a like, post a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Have you tried this out? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I post videos, make money online, CPA affiliate marketing. And also, if you want to learn how I make money online, click the first link in the description or in the comment section down below, and I'm out.